friends, this is your friend Mimi and I welcome you back to my channel, Mimi's Motivation. As always, we want to stay motivated and reach our full potentials. Let's therefore like and share the videos and also subscribe to the channel if you are still not part of this family. Life is full of decisions. We make decisions almost every day in our lives. It is estimated that the average human being makes not less than 1,000 decisions a day, from routine ones to family, from education to career, and the list goes on and on. These decisions affect our lives both negatively and positively, and it can be temporary, intermediate, or permanent. That is why it becomes very imperative to make decisions that will affect our lives positively. With this, I welcome you all to a brand new episode titled Tips for Making Wise Decisions. In order for us to fully understand and practicalize it, I've categorized it into 5 main episodes. And these episodes are: 1. Consider your own limitations. 2. Choose wise counselors. 3. Count the cost of your choices. 4. Commend your ways to God. And then 5. Carry out your decisions. But in this video, we are going to talk about only the first episode, which is consider your own limitations. Limitations simply refers to a weakness or the inability to do something. Everyone on earth has a limitation or weakness. In fact, we are limited in many ways, but the 3 major limitations are limitations in understanding, limitations in experience, and limitations in competence or capacity. Now, one may ask, how are we limited in our understanding? No matter how intelligent or knowledgeable you may be, you may possess only a minute fraction of all the knowledge in the world. Everyone is limited, even in the languages that we speak. I don't know how many languages you can speak, but even Al-Farabi, the 10th century Muslim polymath, who was even known to have known many languages, could only speak 70 languages. That makes it only 100 of all the languages in the world. Moving to the field of academics, the body of knowledge in a particular field may be huge that the professor may not even understand all that is entailed in that particular field. I remember there was this video that a lecturer was actually teaching, and he was solving maths, and when it got to a point that he didn't even understand what he was teaching, and that made the students understand that even the teacher was finding it difficult to understand that topic that he was teaching them. Therefore, whenever you want to take a decision, you have to consider your limitations in understanding. If you realize that the field that you are going into, you are much limited in your understanding, you have to turn to other areas that you are less limited in. Now let's move to our second limitations, which is limitation in experience. There is no way you could go through all the experiences in this world. It is impossible. Experience, they say, is the best teacher, meaning the more experiences you have, the more you learn from it and you master it. That is why even some reputable institutions go in for employees who have some number of working experience, because with that they can do the work very well. They have already encountered some challenges, so in coming to that institution, they are able to maneuver their way through every challenge that they may be faced with. Therefore, before you make any decision, you have to consider your experiences before you make any decision. Now let's look at our last limitation, which is limitations in competence or capacity. As humans, we are limited in our competences and our capacity. This is as a result of the limitations in experience and knowledge. We cannot effectively do something that we are so limited. In this case, you have to assess the level of your competence against the details of the events you want to undertake. If you feel you are not so much limited in it, then go on and take it. If you realize you are so limited in it, then don't embark on it. As we conclude, before you take any decision, you have to ask yourself these three questions. 1. How am I limited in knowledge? 2. How much experience do I have? And 3. Am I competent? Alright guys, thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. If you really found this video very informative and useful, please show your appreciation by liking and sharing our videos. See you next time.